Okay, stop, stop, stop. Let that hair go. Ah, my hair is stuck. Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Conair Cordless Unbound Beauty in Motion automatic curler, I think is what it's called. So this is the first time using it, so let's just dive in and see how this goes. So I'm gonna turn it on. So like, can y'all see this? There's like an LCD screen like right here. I don't know how well you can see it, but it like has the temperature read, and then you have like your two buttons here that you use to switch between everything. And then you press this when you're ready to go. And you have to select the direction you want it on. So I'm gonna start on my left side, and I'm gonna go just my left side first. By the way, I've already charged it for like 4.5 hours, which is the amount of time it says you need to charge it for, which is a long time. I feel like for something that only lasts like an hour. So I'm like, if you're gonna, I would assume this is basically like a really good device to take when you're traveling, I think. So I'm like, if it takes you an hour or 4.5 hours to charge it for enough, you know, for an hour, just like an hour of use, that seems like a long time. Okay, so it just finished heating up, and it beeped when it was finished heating up, and the little thing stopped blinking. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm hoping you can, but it says to take a 1-inch section, and then you just kind of feed it in and hope that it doesn't eat your hair. So let's see if I can do this right. Okay. Y'all hear the beeping? I don't know when to take it off. Okay, I think that's it. Oh, look at that! That's actually pretty good! Okay, alright. And I've heard other reviewers say that this is really like bulky and hard to use, but honestly, I know. Sorry, that was my own fault. I was holding my hair too while I was trying to press it. Honestly, I don't find it to be that difficult. But then again, this is only the first. Okay. There goes the beeping. I don't mind the beeping. Everybody else says the beeping is annoying, but I don't mind. So we're just gonna keep going. Eventually, I'll speed this along. But anyways, I figured I would let you guys, know that this is going to be part of a new series that I'm going to do called Try It Tuesday. And I'm going to start it off as a once a month thing. Probably, I might do it twice a month, I'm not sure. Where I try something new each, or on a Tuesday of a month. Like, for example, this time I'm trying a new hair contraption. Next time, I could try like a new experience. I could try like a new food. I could try a new product. I mean, we're just gonna call it Try It Tuesday. And so if you guys have something you want me to try, whether it's, it could honestly be pretty much anything within reason. I can't do like super expensive stuff because I am not rich and I don't have a ton of money. So if I can't do it because it's too expensive, I apologize, but I'm sure you guys get it. Because I'm sure not all of y'all are rich as well. And, I'm kind of on a budget, so. But anyways, I'm just going to keep doing this. Again, I'm taking 1-inch sections, and then I just, at the base, do like that. And then I press the button, and it goes. There's still some hair like sticking out, but I think that's okay. And can y'all see? I hope y'all can see. And then you just release the button and let it drop. And you can tell it's not getting all the hair that I feed into it. So I have to go back and get a little bit. But honestly, I'm not mad at this, if that makes sense. This is actually pretty easy to use. It kind of takes the guesswork out of curling your hair, I guess you could say. Because you're not having to count yourself, it counts for you. And it's really pretty foolproof because you just put it at the base of your hair, make sure your hair goes through the little groove, and then that's it. And you come out with these really pretty much perfect ringlets. So Now I do have I have medium length hair, so I don't have short hair and I don't have long hair. So I'm not really sure how the difference between my hair and what long hair would do. I mean, look at that, that's pretty good. So I've actually started on the last one. I gave the hair a little bit of a twist at the base just to kind of help it fit into this little groove a little bit better. And then I untwist it once it's in there, and I think that's working really well. And a lot of people are saying that this is hard to hold because it's so wide. I mean, I do have fairly big hands, but I don't think I actually kind of like it. I like having, something to hold on to. If that makes sense. Look at that. Look at that. All right, so let's speed this process up and keep going. So I'm not sure what's going on, but something is not quite right. Can y'all hear the sound it's making? Like, what's that mean? Did my thing break already? I certainly hope not. Okay, I'm gonna try this again. Y'all, nothing is happening. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. And I'm gonna try turning it back on, and hopefully that'll fix whatever that was. But that's not promising. Okay, now I have to set all the settings again. Okay, no, that's good. Oh my gosh, half the battery's already gone. Y'all, that's insane. That's ridiculous. Because that would mean I have to I'm not even done with half the side of my head. I don't know how I feel about this, y'all. We'll have to see. Do y'all hear that? It's doing it still. Is it broken? I don't know. Nothing is happening. I'm really upset because I've curled that much of my hair and now it's not working. I am not thrilled with this so far. I like the results that it's getting, but if it's broken on the first try, that ain't cool. Especially since it's a $100 product. Now I'm just waiting for the little blinky light to go off again to see if I can get it to work. Still waiting. There it goes. Alright, let's see here. Let's see if I can stick some hair in there and see if it'll do anything. I make no promises. I'll hear that, right? Yeah, nothing. I'm gonna go consult the instructions and see if I'm doing something wrong. But right now, I'm I think it's broken. I'll be right back. So I consulted the user manual and it didn't say anything about troubleshooting or that sound that I was hearing. So I just turned it off for a little while and now I've turned it back on. And I'm using some different settings, so I'm gonna see if that might get it to work again. We'll see. I mean, it has a 24-month warranty, so I guess I could send it back, but that's just kind of like lame. Like, I wanted to film a really cool tutorial for you guys, and instead, it's like a flop. The first try it Tuesday is like, down the tubes. I mean, you're still gonna get to see it, like, me try it, and I guess this is like a cautionary tale. Like, not everything you see works, but here we go. Let's try this again. At least it's not eating my hair, right? Nope, same sound. Oh, there it goes. Okay, we are back in business. I don't know what was going on there, but here we go. Look, yeah. Like, I just like combed through with my fingers and look how good the curls are staying up there at the roots. Like, that's crazy. You know what? I think we should go on an adventure since this is cordless. Going to the kitchen. Here we go. Welcome to the kitchen. We're gonna do this strand in the kitchen. Here we go. I'm gonna be cooking dinner and curling my hair at the same time. Isn't that cool? And I'm using the viewfinder as my mirror. Perfect curl in the kitchen. Where should we go next? This is kind of cool because sometimes I don't want to have to like be stuck in one place to fix my hair. So this is actually kind of nice. All right, here we go. And ta-da! I can't really see it, but I hope you guys can. Okay. All right, that kind of felt like it ate my hair. Oh my God. Okay. It turned off. I don't know if it like turned off because the battery died or if it turned off because it was literally like eating my hair that time, but it didn't. So I'm wondering if it like turned off because it was like wrapping it wrong. Maybe doing this without a mirror isn't the best idea. But here we go. Now it's working again. I about thought I was gonna have to cut my hair. Hey, it's not eating my hair anymore. That's good. If I can see again. Oh, okay. That one turned out very interesting. It's kind of the one that started to get eaten, but it didn't. Huh. It just beeped. I don't know why it beeped, but it beeped. I'm gonna redo this one because the ends didn't look all that great. Okay. Just did it again. For some reason, this section does not want to do right. I'm gonna try combing through it. And it does turn off. Like when that happens, it does turn off. So that's good. Oh, I see what's happening. Okay, stop. Let my hair go. Ah, my hair is stuck. You guys, my hair is stuck. My hair is stuck. Let my hair go. My hair is stuck in there. Oh my God. Ah, look at my hair. Got it out there. Oh, my poor hair. It's okay. I'm sorry, kiddo. Okay, I'm gonna try that one more time. Here we go. Make sure I really get it in. Okay, y'all see that? It's in there good. Okay, that time I did good. Okay, so I must not have had all the hair like in there or something. So that was probably a user error, not the device error. That was my fault. But as you saw, I was able to get my hair out, although it was a little nerve-wracking. And that looks so much better. Okay. All right, so make sure you get all of your hair into this little groove or it might, cause that error. I'm done. So I'm gonna turn it off. It does beep when it's turned off. Y'all, this gets pretty hot, but I feel like I would not burn myself with this because you can't really get your fingers in there to burn yourself. And like, I have scars from like burning myself on curling irons in the past. So look how good this side is still doing, even though I like brushed through it with my fingers like 10 minutes ago. Still doing pretty good. Normally by now, like it wouldn't be doing this good with like a regular curling iron. And look how like up close to the root the curls go. So now I'm gonna do the same on this side. That's pretty good. Wow. Y'all, I feel like a 1940s like Hollywood glam type of girl. I'm actually really impressed with the curl quality of this device. That's pretty good. So the issue I had at the beginning where it like stopped working, I don't think that was the tangle function anymore. I think it just spazzed out for a second. So that's a little bit concerning, but I mean, they have the 24-month warranty. So I feel like that's pretty good for like a $100 device. So I could have gotten it fixed if like it didn't work, or I could have returned it or whatever. But it did work, because when my hair actually did get tangled in it, it just shut off, which I kind of wish it had a function where it kind of helped you get your hair out, because I was like freaking out there for a minute when I couldn't get my hair out and I had to like tug a little bit. I was really freaking out because it was still hot in there. So I was like, please don't burn my hair off. But I got it out. And it wasn't really that bad. You just had to make sure that you get all of your hair like in this little groove right here. And then that won't happen. But all in all, I actually do kind of like this device. I think it'll be perfect for traveling, and it actually does come with like a little heat resistant travel pouch. That's what it is. All in all, pretty happy with it. I thought it was gonna run out of battery there for a little while, but it didn't. It kept lasting. So I think you just, as long as you charge it in between uses, you'll be okay. All in all, I'm pretty happy with it. I think I'm gonna have to use it more for me to really be able to say whether I like it or not. So if you want to follow me along over on Instagram, I can kind of keep you guys updated with this product. It is kind of nice that it doesn't have a cord, so you can kind of take it anywhere. So like if there's a mirror that, like I like sitting on the floor to do my hair like in hotel rooms, and there's not always an outlet that is accessible right there, like the floor length mirror, because that's like the best place where you can get the best lighting sometimes. So it is kind of nice that this is cordless. And I know Conair is going to have like some more cordless stuff, like there's a cordless straightener, a cordless multi-tool, and a cordless curling iron or curling wand. So I'm excited to maybe possibly try those out at some point. I just need more money first. But I'm pretty happy with this. I think I'll definitely use it again, especially when I travel. So I like it, especially because like look how good the curls are. So I'm currently editing the video that you're watching, and I was totally meant to wake up the next morning and show you guys my curls and how they lasted, and I did that. But then as I was shooting the lookbook the next day, I kind of deleted the footage. So anyways, they did hold up pretty well. They did fall out just a little bit, but I still had pretty good curls. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was kind of a long one. But if you did like it and you found it valuable, please subscribe. And if you have any ideas for my Try It Tuesday videos, please comment with that down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Law.